Welcome back to Journey with Steven, and today we'll be traveling to Sofia from Bergamo Airport with Malta Air. Malta Air is a subsidiary airline that is set up by RYANAIR and the government of Malta. It is quite an interesting flight, so let me bring you along this journey. But first, let's depart from Locarno to get to Bergamo Airport. Alright, so I just checked in, got my boarding pass, and I think it's that the security lines are quite long and I have less than 40 minutes into the flight departure. So let's hope that I managed to clear and get on ASAP. Bag is checked in, so that's all good. And I got a free boarding pass. It's so unheard of for RYANAIR, but I got it. So love her, love the airport agent, the customer service agent. So yeah, let's go to Sofia. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to RYANAIR flight 03437 to Sofia. We kindly request passengers to proceed for boarding at gate B4. Thank you for choosing RYANAIR. We wish you a pleasant flight.
And thank you.
Please contact a cabin crew member. We invite you to walk along the aisle, reach and occupy your assigned seat as quickly as possible, placing bags and jackets under the seat in front of you. This will be 29. Due to operational reasons, it won't be possible to carry all your handbags in the cabin. Therefore, we invite you to cooperate with the cabin crew in case yours will be tucked to the hold. Your seats are assigned under weight and balancing criteria for the safety of all passengers, then if not otherwise instructed by the cabin crew. We invite you to respect the seat numbers printed on your boarding card and not to bring in the cabin bags already tucked to the hold. We invite all the passengers traveling with stuffed bags such as backpacks, handbags, duty-free bags to use the space under the seat in front. Saving space in the handbags for the suitcases that have to be put only horizontally and never one on top of the other. Before taking your assigned seat, we invite you to make sure that it will be possible to fully close the overhead lockers on top of your head. Interested in anything to eat, to drink, or anything from the duty-free items, please download an electronic copy of our in-flight magazine to our app, or the QR codes on your boarding cards or seat bags now. Internet connection won't be available once in flight.
So I've been on board for just a little while. They have repeated this whole thing for like 3 or 4 times, and I really feel bad for the crew. And the whole boarding process was just messy and like noisy, and it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of destroying the mood of a holiday. But yeah, anyways, let's get to Sofia. It's a 1.5 hours flight. It's a short flight, quick flight. Let's get going, and we should land at night. Great Airbnb booked in the heart of Sofia, so I can't wait to explore tomorrow morning and bring you guys around. For now, my camera quality will be as it is, so yeah, let's go.
The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind.
Now comes the interesting part of the flight. The cabin crew are selling scratch cards on board. Have you ever went on board a flight that scratch cards were sold? Because this was my very first. And of course, I didn't see anyone getting the scratch cards. The thing was that they made the announcement that they were selling scratch cards and the profits are going towards a charity organization.
Scratch cards for the price of 5. You lose change will really make a big difference to our charity. On behalf of our charity partners, we thank you for your generosity and wish you the very best of luck. Thank you.
And I have this thought, how much of the profits are actually really going to the charity organization? If you know, you can leave it in the comment section down below. I'm interested to know.
Sofia on schedule. Local time here is 9:15 p.m. We invite you to remain seated until the aircraft will have reached the final parking stand. Portable electronic devices such as portable computers must remain switched off and stored until the main aircraft door will be opened for you. Once arrived, please exercise caution while stepping into the hand compartment. Items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during landing. Dear guests, we're currently waiting for the buses connecting you with the terminal building. We thank you for your patience and apologize for this inconvenience.
Bye-bye, take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you.
Alright, on the transfer bus right now. I'm not sure if I should say that I have a bad neighbor, on my flight. He's been pushing to get out, and like the doors are shut. People are standing, but like, so what? Yeah, they're not gonna get out anytime soon. So why keep bothering? And so in the end, I stood up like an idiot in the aisle because he's been pushing to get out. And then the moment that the door opened and people started moving, just keep pushing. It's such a terrible move. And like during the whole flight, he just kept pushing like my arm off the armrest. It's terrible. But anyways, landed in Sofia. Here we are. So let's do this city. Let's have fun. Let's go. Instead of taking a taxi, I decided to try out their public transport. The metro station was located just right outside of the airport and it was very easy to use. I didn't need cash, I could just tap on using my Visa card. It was hassle-free. I arrived in my Airbnb and used the Glovo app to order some food before calling it a night. It was a long travel day after all. And this is it for this video. You can hop onto my Instagram and scroll through my highlights to see what I've seen in Sofia. There are lots of interesting sites to be discovered in Sofia, so if you're going there, enjoy.